Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya has held a virtual meet with health ministers of states and union territories over rising COVID-19 cases in some parts of the world. Now, the meeting was held to discuss preparedness in the country amid reports of spiraling cases in the neighboring country of China as well as a few other countries in the world. These are visuals of Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya holding a virtual meeting with health ministers of various states and union territories over rising COVID-19 cases in several parts of the world. We also saw Prime Minister Modi chair a key meeting yesterday. It has been past 3 days where, including in the winter session of the parliament, there has been a lot of talk of wearing masks, masking up, not drop your masks, wear a mask, especially in crowded places, to fight the deadly new variant of COVID-19, PF7. Well, to share more details about this current ongoing meeting, I'm joined by my colleague Ishika on this broadcast. Ishika, if you can share more details, do we know what is the conversation that Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya is currently having with health ministers of various states and UTs?
Yes, certainly. Right now a meeting is being a high-level meeting. In fact, is being chaired by the Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya with the health ministers of various states and union territories. Now, this emergency meeting has been called since there is a COVID alert in our country, since the cases are increasing in the neighboring states. Now, what we can expect from this meeting is that after this very meeting, the central government is now going to release the guidelines for the COVID protocols, and then that will be implemented by the various steps. In fact, the state governments are also going to deploy teams to implement these very guidelines here in their respective states. Now, we can also, in fact, look, will also be interesting to watch if now the mask will be made mandatory or not. And apart from that, the other instructions that will be given to the state government in terms of, more number of rapid testing at various places, in fact, at various crowded places. And if we talk about the other things, airports have already got an advisory. Thus, it is a very crucial need when we are looking at, at the point of alertness in our country as to how prepared our country is in terms of fighting the COVID. And we'll have to wait and watch how this meeting pans out and what guidelines the central government brings, after this very meet. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Ishika, for joining us live on this broadcast with all those details. We will be tracking the developments of this current COVID review meeting that is being held by the Union Health Minister with the health ministers of various states and union territories.